In this little video we will look at how do we actually draw in a plane that bisects the angle, or means go halfway through the angle between the two planes. So let's quickly draw for ourselves two little planes again here, and I always seem to like the very same orientation, so I'll try and do this a little bit different this time. So let's see, oops, let me just move this back. Let's pick another great circle in a different orientation for a change. What shall we choose? Let's choose, let us choose, oh, my old favorites. I guess I'm a creature of habit. Okay, so let's choose this. Okay, so there we've got two planes, and again we want to know what is the plane, or the orientation of the plane that bisects the angle between these two limbs and also those two limbs. Again, very simple. Remember, we can always only measure 90 degrees from the intersection. The intersection is over there, so we take this point to the east-west reference line and we count off 90 degrees. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 degrees, and then we draw in the great circle. Okay, that is of course the great circle along which you can go and determine angles. The next thing that we need to do is we need to go and count the actual angle between these two, and that is going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 76 degrees. So if we go halfway to 76 degrees, that would be what, 35, let's call it 37 degrees. 10, 20, 30, 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, so this would be the one plane. I will show you now. If we now take this point and you rotate it until it and the intersection point falls on the same line or the same great circle, this would be the plane that intersects, the acute angle, or bisects the acute angle. To get the same result for the obtuse angle, we again have to put this on the same great circle. Okay, this line's on the great circle, and then we count away 90 degrees from this, and that would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 degrees. Okay, and then we rotate our Stereonet until that point, as well as the intersection all falls on the same great circle, and that would be approximately here, and then we can draw in this great circle. That would be the orientation of the plane that bisects the obtuse angle, or the big angle between the two planes. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to do.